Hi guys, this is Daddy Nerds. Welcome back to Fix and Wax. So yun guys, sa araw ngayon, we are very grateful and thankful kasi again, kahit na medyo, ayan, makulimlim na naman talaga puno pa rin tayo. Ito guys, samahan nyo. So ayan guys, makikita nyo. Alright. Wow! So ayan. May master painting, and then of course panel painting, and of course panel painting pa rin. Ito for wash over, and then ito yung 4x4 project natin. Kung makikita nyo, ayan, tinatapos na natin. Alright. So ito, andyan yung Montero, so tinatapos na rin. So naka-lunch break tayo guys. Ito, dito si Bossing, nakantay ang kanilang unit, si RV. And of course, andito yung FJ Cruiser. Ayan, tapos na yung FJ. Alright. So ayan guys. So again, kahit puno po tayo ngayon guys, huwag po kayong mahiya. Or yun po, message lang po kayo sa Fix and Wash, sa aming Facebook page. And of course, huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-like and share ang aming TikTok account. Again, ako po si Daddy Nerds, ang iyong Fix. Thank you.